Profit and purpose: how to do well by doing good with social investing. Social investing is one of the fastest growing sectors in the world of finance. The movement away from purely financial returns and towards focus on companies that also offer benefits to society is a powerful one. It's why social investing is often referred to as the vanguard of the third sector movement. Today, there are more than 8,000 social funds operating globally, investing some $300 billion annually. That's more than 10 times the amount invested in 2016. In fact, much like how the stock market has matured over time and become less risky for investors, with increased regulation and screening processes, that same transition is happening with social investing too. What is social investing? Social investing is a type of investment that focuses on companies with a social or environmental mission. It seeks to maximize positive impact in the world, rather than simply generating financial returns for shareholders. In contrast to more traditional investments, social investing does not seek to maximize profit for its own sake. Instead, it aims to create a positive impact both for the company and society as a whole. Where to find social investing? Opportunities: a lot of social funds are available to invest in through your trusted financial advisor. But you can also find a variety of opportunities online, including on popular platforms like AngelList and CircleUp. The best part about social investing? It's not just the money. In fact, the impact of buy-minded investments is far greater than simply the returns they generate. The profits from social investing are reinvested into companies that provide benefits to society and ultimately grow their business, creating positive externalities for everyone involved. If you have an interest in social investing, it's wise to get some advice first, especially if you have a limited investment portfolio. Social investing can be complicated and new to many investors, so consider seeking guidance from professional advisors or other experienced investors before diving in headfirst. The benefits of investing in socially responsible companies. Funds that invest in socially responsible companies are, on average, more than twice as likely to outperform their peers over the long term. They also have a higher chance of beating the index over the long run and less risk of underperforming the market. Investing with a purpose is not only good for your bottom line, but it also helps grow your business by appealing to your target audience. If you're interested in investing in social funds, look for one that has been around for at least 5 years. Such established funds tend to have better track records and offer investors greater returns than new social funds launching today. What's holding social investing back? Despite these advancements, social investing still faces challenges. For one thing, it's not always as easy as it should be to invest in social companies. We need better tools and resources to help us make the right choices. The other challenge facing social investors is that there are huge discrepancies between what social concepts and values are upheld by companies and what they actually do when they're in the marketplace. In other words, while people care about a company's social impact, they don't always put their money where their mouth is. That's why so many people are turning to venture capital rather than traditional investments. Investing in social companies will not only benefit your portfolio but also society as a whole. From investing in entrepreneurs who have the potential to start new businesses for underserved communities, to supporting employees who work for companies that offer positive impact on environmental issues like carbon footprint reduction, there are many ways this investment could pay off for you and society at large. How to do good with your money and do well by doing good at the same time. As social investing has grown, it's become a lot more difficult to track the impact of your investment. As a result, it's important for investors to screen for companies that are good for society but also focus on companies that are profitable. Some of the factors you should be looking out for include: company leadership, are they committed to protecting and advancing human rights? Company policies, does the company have a policy to conduct business ethically? Company finances, are they profitable? Are their profits distributed equitably? Bottom line: there's no better time for you to get into social investing than now. If you're interested in getting involved in this booming market, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, be selective about what social investments you make. A lot of funds are chasing the same returns, so it can be difficult to find the best opportunities out there. Also, if your goal is profit, social investing probably isn't for you. Compared with traditional financial markets where speculation plays a big part, it takes more patience and research to find good companies that offer good social returns. However, if your goal is to have a positive impact on society by putting your money where your values are, then it's time to start investing. Frequently asked questions. What are the benefits of social investing? There are many benefits to pursuing social investing, but here are a few of our favorites. 1. A socially responsible investment is better for the environment. The impact that funds have on the environment is a key concern for investors. By investing in socially responsible funds, you can help protect the environment and protect your money against potential risks. 2. Social investing can make you money. As with any type of investing, it's important to develop an investment strategy that fits your individual needs and goals. But if you choose a socially responsible fund, the possibility of financial gain can actually be one of the main incentives to invest in the fund. 3. You can make tax-efficient contributions to your social investing fund. One of the biggest advantages to social investing is its tax efficiency. You can contribute pre-tax dollars directly into a fund, which reduces your taxable income in 2017 and beyond. What are the different types of social investing? There are 4 main types of social investing: impact, impact-driven, triple bottom line, and stakeholder. Impact investing is based on the assumption that companies can make an impact on society in 3 ways: on environment, workers, and communities. Impact investing focuses on companies with a positive social and environmental impact, as well as strong financial performance. Impact-driven investing is an evolution of impact investing that takes into account different stakeholders. It takes the perspective of the investor and how their interest aligns with social and environmental goals. For example, a women's health fund might invest in a company doing women's health products. Or a socially responsible pension fund might invest in a company that has created more sustainable workplaces. A third type of social investing called triple bottom line focuses on financial performance, people, and the environment at the same time. This model was developed as a way to apply traditional financial metrics to sustainability metrics. It provides a holistic view of a company's impact on people and the planet. Finally, stakeholder investing focuses on the people who are affected by a company's decisions: workers, customers, suppliers, and the community at large. What are the challenges of social investing? The challenges of social investing are many, but perhaps at the very top is that it's not what you would call a straightforward area to invest in. After all, it's about looking beyond simply the financial results of a company, which are important and key to making an investment decision, to consider how a company might be contributing to society as well. This is, of course, always a very subjective area: how much money is actually being donated, for example, or how much the company is raising for good causes through its sales efforts. But ultimately, when you look at all the facts and figures together, social investing is likely to be an investment that delivers good returns and which you can feel good about supporting.